We thought it was a good morning with our European session in our live trading room with the color method, but the US session this afternoon, oh my lord, guys, what an incredible move in this stock, Octo, OCTO, with the color method. This morning it came out, first thing Monday morning, 9 a.m. UK time. We got some interest in this, came in the scanner, we got some buy signals, went sideways, and then got new momentum triggers here, giving us a heads up that we could move. Who thought that if we'd be buying it, I think I bought it at $4.60 here, who would have thought it'd be trading nearly $40? So there's been ample opportunities to get into this trade on the 1 minute time frame. At $8, we got a red to green buy signal. Lovely move up to $18 from $8. What a move. And then another buy trigger, another buy trigger, another buy trigger from red to green, and then we got the halt here, and then we gap and run here, okay, on the 1 minute time frame, and we've been up ever since. Now we're trading around this $40 with another halt here. This could open up. Second halts are quite interesting on the afternoon session here. We gapped up again on that halt. There you go, we pushed up. Always good time to place, get out of the trade, guys, if you're long with such a wide range candlestick, or at least bank half the profits. Now if this starts to pull back here, I mean, it's going to be a $4 drop, so we're trading in and around that $50, that big psychological round number. Okay, $50 is a big round number. If we get through $50, we can run even further. All right, so this $50 is really important. It is going vertical now on the 1 minute time frame, so be careful on the height of these histograms. When we get quite high on the histograms, it's always a good idea to bank some profit here. But let's see if we get another pullback. Well, another pullback, we drop $10. That's going to be pretty steep pullback. But let's see how we trade around this $50, guys. We're right at it. Lovely pro trend system buys here. Exceeded profit targets. Still pushing above $50. We're trading at $54 here. Or we could go vertical. When you start to get separation in the green tracks, see these three dots here? They're tracks, okay? When we start to get that third one separated, especially if you're trading FX or if you're doing indices in the morning in our European session, you start to get too extended on that track number 3, which is the slower one here, then we could get a retracement back to the mean. But let's think about this. I mean, if you're buying this 1,000 shares at this with $4, that's $4,000 position. If you've got leverage on this 4 to 1, you don't need a lot of money in your account to trade these big moves, guys. But be careful, okay? They're volatile. Don't know what you're doing. I mean, this is just pushed back $10 there, okay? But still green on the PTS, making sure you're managing risk. So around this $50 mark, that's the key, okay? We've got this bit of a topping towel situation here on the 5 minute chart. If we close like this, this is what we call a shooting star. Shooting star is a reversal candlestick. At the highs, it ends trends. Who knows? We're just keeping on the green side here. Just be careful on this market. But a lovely, lovely move up today in this market. Incredible price action to the upside. And more importantly, incredible price action with our color method with Octo here. All right, hope it helps, guys. And I'll speak to you soon. Take care.